walikuwa wameoverload.
Ji ariyo wito ngimagi kama moko 12 yudo hinyruok otieno ma piny orugodo kawuono masira mar apaya Salga e apaya ma Nakuru Kisumu.
Hata tukaona bandits kwa njia na wengine tulipitia marisasi tukikucha hapa.
It is so hard to be in a government that you want to defend while your people are actually suffering in the same government.
Jomaundu manyayo kuo jamni omonjo jood bura kod apisas mag Red Cross e apaya ma Yatia Chemoe e kinde mane gichwalo chiemb kony.
Kwa sahi wajue president wetu atakuwa na Kenya 2027 kwa sababu Raila anaenda kwa hiyo kitingine ya njuu.
Jokanyo mag na Kenya wacho ni Martha Karua ema oromo kao ka Raila Odinga e laro kom jatend piny e yiero mahiga 2027. Machiegni nyako Ramogajong e chenro mara migago kabro ni weche matimre pacho kae ka achiel gi mago matimre pewe mag tuke kamoro ma intiere arwaki chenro ni ka wachak kanyakla kendo wabro tieko kanyakla kinyalo orona ote machuok e namba mar 3:6 kata maro RamogiTV KE @James Opondo Sina. Machiegni nyinga en James Opondo. Ji ariyo owito ngimagi ka ji 12 yudo hinyruok kendo dhi mbele gi yudo thieth e osiptal ma Nakuru level 5 bang' yudo masira mar apaya e alwora ma Salga e apaya ma Kisumu kadhi Nakuru ma piny orugodo kawuono. Masira no notimore kinde ma nyamburko ma ting'o ji 11 mar riwruok mag weg nyamburko ma Eldoret Shuttle manoriko e Eldoret kendo ne dhi Nakuru nodonjo kuom lori manoriko chungi e bath apaya gino manokelo masira coach no.
Eldoret Shuttle ambayo ilikuwa inatoka upande wa Nakuru ikielekea Eldoret iliweza kugonga lori ambayo ilikuwa imesimama. Kwa sababu Nissan ilikuwa inakimbia kwa high speed iliweza kugonga lori kwa impact ambayo ilikuwa juu sana. Our governor Susan nakuomba kabisa, juzi tulikuwa tumepatiwa 50 million ambayo ilitengwa ya trauma center ambayo tu iko karibu hapa walking distance ambayo tunaomba kwamba hiyo pesa iweze kuja kwa haraka iweze kujenga hiyo trauma center. Wakati mwingine tuwe na tabia ambayo inaweza saidia kwa kutochukua kitu ya mtu. Kama jana simu ya client ambaye alikuwa ameumia ilipotea. Na tunaomba kwamba kama kuna mtu alichukua tafadhali rudisha tu.
The van as reported by the driver and one of the passengers was carrying 12 passengers and one driver whereby they were involved in a head-on collision. They basically rammed into a trailer resulting in 2 deaths on the spot where we had 2 casualties. Currently at the hospital we are having 11 patients. We have 5 patients in inpatient, that is patients who are admitted, and we have 6 patients in the outpatient unit. The driver of the said vehicle is a Kenyan. However, the passengers are of Eritrean and Ethiopian nationality. So we've had a bit of a language barrier since they came in at 10 p.m. But we've managed to manage all of them, and they are currently out of danger.
Jonjore no chodo gi magina msafara mar nyamburko mag jaod bura ma Baringo North Joseph Makilap, jaod bura ma county ma Baringo Florence Jematia kod apisas mag Red Cross odiochieng' manyoro e kinde manoriko gi kadho e apaya ma Yatia kochomo Chemoe. Jotelogo ne ni chenro mar pogo chiemo ne oganda ma oseyudo midhiero kaluwore gi monj ma kinde ka kinde ma siko timore e gwengego kama oting'o gweng' ma Yatia, Chemoe kod Chepkesin e ward ma Saimosoi kod Bartabwe e kinde mane gichiegni chopo Chemoe. Nochuno jotelogo mondo mi oluong kony mapiyo kuom apisas machiwo arita eka bang'e ne gichomo gwenge ma Chepkesin ma bende ne giyudo ka jonjorego nonitiere. Jotelogo ka ne wuoyo gi jofwambo ne gikwayo sirikal mondo okel kwe mapiyo.
People that we've seen through. So hapa kuna shida kubwa na tunaomba serikali pia tuendelee. Even this Chepkesin Primary School, you can see this Chepkesin Primary School. Today, there are only 40 students, and this school was rehabilitated by the armed forces, courtesy of the government. So, and when we came, ijulikana ya kwamba hata mbele ya sisi kukuja na watu ya Red Cross barabara yote kuanzia huko Moinoni all the way to Yatta to here, we faced some conscience. Yes. Na ni partners ambaye hata ni watu hawajawahi kuona bunduki siku nyingine, hata tukaona bandits kwa nje. Na wengine tulipitia marisasi tukikuja hapa. So kuambia serikali tukase nati.
It is so hard to be in a government that you want to defend while your people are actually suffering in the same government. Sometimes we become so helpless, which also put our people or the residents of these areas, which are actually affected by the insecurity, to be at a very crossroad, and they are not able to move because you are in a government that you think they were going to help you, or you are going to, have this problem solved, but it is actually becoming a bigger problem for these people to survive in their own government. Your Excellency the President, I want you to take time. It is not easy, yes, but I want you to take time and understand that the bandits are gaining more resolve and strength every day. Shamelessly, these people even shot at the Red Cross team. We are asking the government, please sort out this mess. Look at the emboldenment. We have the RDU, we have the GSU, but these people don't feel anything.
Senator Makitui enokwambua ujiwo sirikal mamalo kaachiel kod mago mag counties mondo oket maino e okenge mag bero weche thieth e pacho kae. Noloso e chenro mag thieth madhi nyime kuom ndalo adek ma obag kod riwruok mar Kiyo Wambua Foundation e chiro mar Wingeni e sub county ma Mwingi East kuma maloyo ji 1,000 noyudo thieth manono e chenro ma kamano. Wambua wacho ni kwan ji mane wuok oko ne thieth makamano onyiso pek mag kalo e yore thieth e county ma Kitui. Kabende jo governor ma Kitui Julius Malombe mondo omi yore thieth ong'ala manyime.
The reason why we have facilities constructed for the provision of healthcare in different parts of this county is a response to a need. These facilities are not just created for purposes of creating facilities. They were responding to a need. Like where we stand today, let me not go very far. Like where we stand today, there is Wingemi level 3 hospital, which for all intents and purposes, in terms of standards, in terms of personnel, in terms of facilities, it's below even a dispensary. And yet in the books, it is supposed to be a level 3 hospital. Now what we have agreed with the community is that as soon as it's practically possible, we are going to organize a fundraiser to complete the construction of a house where the medical staff are supposed to be staying.
Jodito e duond bura mar na Kenya okoni ogai mar duond bura no Matakarua ema abiro tingo bendera mar duond bura no yiero ma higa 2027 kagiloso e county ma Isiolo. Jotelo omedo jiwo jodak ma Isiolo mondo omed donjo e chama man kod mbi mar kawo tend piny e yiero mabiro. Jagoro maduong' mar na Kenya Paul Gishuki okoni jo Kenya ikore mar yiero jatelo makare ma en Martha Karua. Gishuki okoni Karua kod duond buche pod onyonore e riwruok mar Azimio motegno kata doko ni lek mare en bedo e debe kaka jalar kom maduong'.
Wananchi wote wa Isiolo wanjiunga na Kenya kwa sababu ndio chama ya kusema na kutenda, na hiyo ni mzuri kwa sababu kwa sahi wajue president wetu atakuwa na Kenya 2027 kwa sababu Raila anaenda kwa hiyo kitingine ya juu, yani kubwa kuliko hata ya president ya Kenya, na kwa hivyo tutaunga mkono Martha Karua juu chini mpaka aweze kupata hiyo kiti.
Msimamo wa NAK Kenya kwa hiyo report ambayo inaitwa NADCO report ni kwamba NADCO report ilianzishwa ndio iangalie masilahi ya Mkenya, lakini kwa wakati huu vile tunaona katika Kenya, hiyo matarajio yote ambayo ilikuwa inaongozwa na kitu inaitwa cost of living, gharama ya maisha, ambayo haiko kwa meza wakati huu. Tunaona hiyo NADCO report haina faida kwa Mkenya, na sisi hatuko kwa hiyo njia ya NADCO report. Tunasema iendelee, lakini kwa sasa vile maoni yetu ni kwamba hiyo report inaangazia tu masilahi ya wakubwa, kwa sababu ni vyeo vinatengenezwa na hiyo report.
Sasa afadhali turudi kwa mama. Sisi kina mama hata kama ni wanaume hawezi pikia mastakara kura, sisi wanawake tutapikia. Kwa Kenya sisi wanawake wote, Mungu ataingia kila mwanamke ndani ya roho yake, yote apate njia mama kara.
Japuonj maduong' mar Kapsabet Boys Secondary Oyango ni jopuonjre aboro oseyudo fuong'ruok kendo othiedhgi moyigi thuolo to mane oyudo hinyruok marach to chwal e osiptal ma Moi Teaching and Referral man Eldoret bang' masira mar apaya manyo jokos bas mar skundno ma Kapsabet Boys. Magi timore ka japuonj achiel kod japuonjre ne owito ngimagi e masirano mar apaya mane otimore Kabarnet Marigat, kaunti ma Baringo. Hiyo wacho ni jopuonjre mamoko yudo thieth e osiptand kaunti ma Baringo kaluwore kod masira makochno. Duol mar Kenha bende osundi ni oket gigo ma nyiso ranyisi apaya kaka yor geng'o masira.
I've visited some of the students in the wards. They are stable. They are looking forward to go back to school. They are even more encouraged to do even better. And I'm so encouraged by the confidence and the bravery they have shown. And I just take this opportunity to wish them quick recovery.
Let us support each other and let us do what is necessary to improve our roads and to put the necessary signs that is needed for the drivers to see any warning when the danger ahead any corner, which is very necessary.
As much as we want to do the signage, we can also introduce the electronic guidance on our vehicles so that they can guide you as a new driver. When you go new places, there's a way you can be alerted that this is a corner, those kind of things. There's a car that is coming before you, and those kind of things. And I want to say the driver did his best. If you see where the incidents happened, you would really realize that in whatever situation, he tried his best.
All of them are in a fine state of mind and spirit. They are jovial, they have started taking their teas, and they are out of danger. Those who are referred to the MTRH yesterday are also reportedly to be fine.
Jotelo mag siasa mawuok kadhowadh nam chumbi ojiwo mondo pi kanyakla e lwenj kedo kod yedhe ma mero ji ka giloso e kinde yudo chiemo modhiambo mar din Islam miluongo ni iftar. Senator Mogwel Miraj Abdullahi okone nywakone kendo kod kedo kod yedhe ma mero ji yorno makende mabiro tieko wachno. Senator Makwale Boy Juma Boy okone sirikal mondo ket maino kendo omed kaso motegno kedo kod yedhe ma mero ji e alworago.
Sisi kina Miraji, sisi ndio watoto wetu wanaokufa, si watoto wa Rigathi Gachagua, sio watoto wa William Samoei Ruto. Naomba tuwachaneni na malumbano kwenye majukwaa ya kisiasa, tushirikiane ili tuweze kukabiliana na masuala ya mihadarati. Tangu tujikwamue kutoka kwenye minyororo ya mbepari, tumekuwa tukiimba nyimbo ya marginalized communities, but counties are here. Pesa zinapeanwa kwenye gatuzi. Let us prioritize kufanya miradi ambao itatuondosha sisi jamii za pwani katika umaskini.
Rais wetu ametuambia he is not going to fund consumption but atafund production. Faida yake tumeanza kuona. Leo maelfu na maelfu ya mayatima, wasiojiweza, wakongwe wanasaidiwa na serikali hii kuliko wakati wowote ule.
Kiongozi akachaguliwa, rais, gavana akachaguliwa, mbunge akachaguliwa na maseneta. Iliyobakia ni sisi viongozi, tuungane tuwe pamoja, tuweze kuendeleza makaunti zetu na serikali zetu.
Jaod bura malugari na bi na bwera ochako chenro mag konyo jomatho mag kuong' ma oko podhi chako weche ohala kaka yorno mar konyo tieko weche mag kuong' ma oko podhi ne jodak e gweng'no kane oloso e sikund sekondar ma Mafutu chenro mar pogo basari ne sikunde mopogore opogore. Na bwera wacho ni obok kod kwan mamedore mar jogo matiyo kod kuong' ma ok opodhi. Na bwera koro dwaro mondo apisas mag arita mondo oti kamoro achiel mar chiko chenro go mag kuong' ma ok opodhi, ka bende ne olero bwok mare ewi medruok iye ma ohiwe e kar chung' od bura no, ka koro ojiwo jonyuol mondo obed motang' e weche rito mag nyithindo.
Wa serikali kuhusu ulevi na bombe haramu. Area hii Chief, chunga hii ziende na wewe. Chunga iziende na wewe. Na wewe mzazi, nilisema hapa kama wewe unatengeneza pombe, ati usomeshe mtoto, niletee wewe mtoto nikusomeshe, wachana na pombe. Na nikasema wagemaji wote watengeneze makundi, na hiyo makundi ninawapatia pesa ya kufanya biashara mbadala.
Ya kora mago jonga na kawo yo ma ado somo motiwario aneno Ruth Nyathi Ochieng' wacho ni nderni wa richo koso driver ema ok riemb maber. Masiche mag ndara medore marach. Sirikal onego non weche ajaligo matut. Ramogi ler umoja koni. Prince Guya wacho ni watching live, wacho ni oneno mana orito tugo mabro bedo kind club mar Liverpool gi Manchester United mago tuke mag FA Cup. Francis Wasuna wuode Nyahero wacho ni bet mos awinjo news kan Upper Hill Community Center Bure Nairobi. Kennedy Oloch wacho ni jodong nak Kenya go odenyo manade no ya mago leko odiochieng' mano kutudre kod wach ma giwacho kata ni Martha Karua onego bedni madhi chung' kaka jalar kom ne jogo ma pingo sirikal. Watimo mos ne familia mowito jogege masirni matimre apini mapachoka mano nyara mwalimu. Nyakora mga jong kikidhi mabor nikech pod wan kod weche mathoth.
Ang'o maketo skul mipuonje weche mag thieth kod science bedo maber? Waketo maino marwa e chal ngima mar jopuonjre, waketo maromre timo nonro kod tiegruok, wajiwo jopuonjre bende odonje chenro mopogore opogore kaka tuke. Wachiwo tiegruok mowinjore gi omenda ma japuonjre chulo, japuonjre tieko somo ka en gi lony mamalo mar donjo e tich. Omiyo chop Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences kama kepo mar dwe mar adek higa mar 2024 dhi nyime.
Welcome to Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences.
Are you ready to turn your Skizza-tunes into cash? Dial star 487 star 3 hash. Choose your favorite Skizza-tune, confirm, and enter to win big. 50k daily, 100k monthly, and the grand draw of 1 million Kenya shillings. Each time you download Skizza-tune, you support our local talent as you increase your chances of winning big. All SMS alerts are from Skizza Citizen, and lucky winners will be contacted from 0709 767 000. Skizza Tune, Skizza Chapa. Terms and conditions apply.
Escape to the beach and enjoy amazing discounts at the luxurious Ocean Beach Resort and Spa Malindi, courtesy of View Travel. Book with View Travel and enjoy 3 days at Ocean Beach Resort and Spa for only 43,000 Kenya shillings when you take the scenic SGR route, or opt for the flight option for only 52,000 Kenya shillings. Whichever you choose, prepare to be pampered. Visit viewtravel.com or call 0703-254-254 to book your dream beach vacation at Ocean Beach Resort now. View Travel. Dream, explore, discover.
Hi there, I'm your new friend Panda from Paokwa.
Come along for our adventure today as we take you through the hummingbird tales.
Kim and I are going on a camping trip with our scouts troop. But first,
Tilly, AJ, Kim and Pendo will explore some inspiring African stories.
we will learn together about Dr. Rachel Masake. Can I ask you what you are good at? Maybe you can draw or run the fastest in your class.
The little ones of all ages will continue learning as they watch the best content on the go only on Viewsasa.
There is so much to explore.
Hi, I'm Malcolm, a beneficiary of the NCCK scholarship. My parents could not afford my school fees, but thanks to NCCK, they came through and paid for my school fees, and I was able to complete my secondary education. And I cannot express how grateful I am. I kindly urge Kenyans of goodwill to contribute to this noble cause by texting Elimu to 29888 to help needy students just like myself to realize their futures and become who they want to be and be great citizens of this country. Thank you.
Nilianza kucheza shabik 3 weeks ago. Tunaona kwa TV watu wakicheza, naona watu wanakuja huku wanainua check vile mimi nimeinua saa hii. Nikasema ninapenda kujaribu vitu. Na sikuwa najua kucheza. Niling'ang'ana tu, nika-download sijui nini na nikapata the link na nikaanza. Nikikosa pesa sometimes naambia Maisa, "Nitumie 50 bob." Anaweza nizania nataka kuharibu. Naambia wewe nitumie 50 bob. Ananitumia nacheza hivyo hivyo. Nilitumiwa message. Hiyo message si kuitilia maanani. Niko kwa nyumba tu, hata niko sijaenda kufungua duka. 11 ndio nilipigiwa simu. Ukue citizen by 8:30. Nilikuwa nafikiria nitapata 6 million. Sikupata. So unajua huo unaenda unafikiria utapata ile kubwa. Lakini sikupata hiyo, lakini hata hii nimepata, nashukuru Mungu. Ndoto yangu na I think nitaboost biashara yangu. Hiyo tu ndio huwa nataka sana nione ikienda mbele.
Shabiki Super Jackpot ni time yako. Mina dai wote twende hivi. Not for persons under the age of 18. Shabiki.com is authorized and regulated by BCLB license number 587.
Kama hera ungetung. Chunya rio chigni chako wuoth moro mabiro miyo gik moko kethore.
Erokamano. An benda eri.
Kata kamano, e bwo hera mane gin godo, ne nitiere wach moro mopondo.
Kora twangeyo, ang'o madhi mbele gi mino pot fadhi, koso imbe itiere mix na ang'o madhi mbele?
Anakia.
Jonyuol gi mane oherogi ahinya, ema temo geng'ogi kuom bedo mamor.
Jombul kode college, iwacho nyingi ng'a? Omien. Amo mieno wach kamano.
Kata kamano, behera gino inyalo geng'. Miel e koth. Ewi Nam Cinema, Jumapil, saa 2:15 otieno, kod saa 4 otieno. Mana e RamogiTV.